Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to keep laptop screen on when lid is closed in Windows 11. Keeping your laptop screen on when the lid is closed in Windows 11 is essential for seamless multitasking with external monitors or running background tasks without interruptions. So let's start the video. First step is to access the control panel by clicking on the start menu icon and then by typing control in the search bar. Now click on the control panel to open it. Make sure view by is either set to large or small icons. Here click on power options. On the left menu click on choose what closing the lid does. Here you will see the option when I close the lid. You will see two columns on battery and plugged in. Change both settings to do nothing. Click on the drop down menu and select do nothing. Once you have done that, click on Save Changes button. So that's it, your laptop will now stay on even when the lid is closed. Thanks for watching.